So because GATE exam is very near, we have only around 4 to 5 months, and there are so many students, they are not able to afford any coaching center. And there are some students, like, they think that okay, self study is enough, no need to join any coaching center. So see, I am running an institute, you know that. And but as an aspirant, if I see this, then coaching is not playing a great role in your success. See, I should not say in this way, I should say in this way, that it depends on individual. If you are really good with your basic concepts, and if you are comfortable with your college concepts, I mean, whatever they are teaching in your college, if you are able to understand that, I mean, if you are good at your 11th 12th basics, especially I'm talking about the basics of physics and basics of mathematics, and you are also comfortable with your college course, your university course, whatever they teach there, you understand everything, and you have done all the assignments, and you are comfortable, then you can do only one thing. You just take your previous year question paper and you solve previous year question paper. You might be knowing that your first question paper is available from 2007. So from 2007, because this video I'm making for 2022, so till 2021 your question paper is available. And there are so many platforms, they provide complete solution also. So you do only one thing. Suppose you are in second year or third year student, and you are not very serious about GATE exam, only you just want to see that, like, so first thing, this attitude is not at all good. When you are attempting for any exam, you should be in mood that okay, you have to clear that exam. So my point is, if your basics are clear, you just go through these previous year question papers and you solve every individual question. And like, in my classroom, I advise everyone to solve previous year question paper like minimum 5 times, and I make sure that everyone should solve previous year question paper. I asked them, I have told them, like, you must solve this. See, what I do in my classroom program, that is different, and what I am suggesting on this social media, this is different. I am suggesting 3 steps, what is very popular, and almost every coaching center, I am not considering any individual, I am saying almost every coaching center is doing the same thing. As an institute, what I do, I teach concepts, right? And after that, I give examples, right? This makes your topic clear. Done. After that, I give you practice questions, so you have to practice. That's all, you are ready for your GATE exam. Now, if you are already clear with the previous, I mean, with the concepts, then you can directly go to previous year questions and you can check where do you stand, right? So previous year question papers, PYQs, you have to solve many times, as max as possible, and you have to be comfortable with all the previous year concepts. And if you will cover previous year question papers properly, so those questions are like a kind of subject in themselves. If you are completing the entire 2007 to 2000, I mean 2021, this itself is kind of a completion of the subject, right? I'm being like, I'm giving you very true honest thing, like, if you are a kind of average person, you don't have to join any coaching. Why do they join coaching actually? In my class, students are joining coaching only because of, like, I feel that two things are very important. Some students are not comfortable with their college studies, so because of that, they don't understand the concept very well in the college. And next thing is, they are not able to focus well on GATE exam because of irregularity. So when you join coaching, two things are sure. One thing is that it is my responsibility that your syllabus and your test series and your PDF material and everything, you should I mean, I should provide you, and you should cover that. And next thing is, if you are joining any coaching institute, then with time you complete the syllabus. Like with the teacher, when teacher is finishing the syllabus, you will finish the syllabus. So this will not be your own personal burden, like what to study, what not to study. If you are so I hope you got my 3 points, because there are only 3 steps. If you are doing self study, first thing, you should cover your topic. Now again question comes, how to cover the topics in which book, which topic is given. So you should know that in aerospace department you don't have any single book to cover the entire subject. I mean, yeah. For example, there is a very popular book, structure. I don't want to take name for this name here. So in that structure book, you cannot complete everything. There are so many books for particular subject. So in one way, coaching helps you. But suppose you are economically weak or you don't have sufficient fund to make this fees, then you can also do one more thing. So step one, I'm trying to say, what is step one? Step one is you have to clear the topic. So there are several ways to clear the topic. One thing, join coaching center. Next thing, join correspondence course, like I'm also giving correspondence course. And the third thing, you go for self-study. So in case of self-study, you have to meet with several books. So actually, it is difficult to advise you here in which book, which topic you should cover, right? So you have to, so I can say that if you want to prepare for aircraft structure, you have to study minimum 3 to 4 books, minimum 3 to 4 books. For strength of material, separate book. For design, separate book. So and now next thing is, once you are clear with the topic, then you should have enough amount of examples. So again, whatever book you are following, in that book example should be given. But as an institute, it is my duty to provide you example. So from where you are going to solve the example. So this is your step 1, this is your step 2. Solve enough examples. And then step 3. In step 3, you have to solve previous year question papers. That's all. Done. I don't say to practice test series. Personally, I have never practiced test series. But of course, if you will practice test series, you will be having extra advantage. Right? So what final approach is, you complete the topic somehow. Again, question comes whether you are strong enough to understand the concepts by yourself, whatever is written in the book. If you are good enough, then you don't have to join any coaching center. You just complete things from book. And one thing keep in mind, GATE exam is not very tough exam, right? But again, one thing is it is not easy exam. But you can say that the way you are clearing your university courses, in the same way you cannot clear your GATE exam. Okay, so is it horrible? No, GATE exam is not horrible exam. My experience, if you will solve previous year question paper, you can easily crack GATE exam and you can easily go to IIT. Now, when I say that you should solve previous year question paper, it does not mean you only have to solve previous year question paper, because same questions they will not repeat. I am trying to focus on your concept. So again, I will repeat. Step 1, your concepts. You have to, and especially this video is for the self-study students, right? So how will you cover the concepts? So you need books, you need lot of PDFs, you need a lot of lectures. And separate video I'll prepare for NPTEL, is it helpful or not? Later I'll prepare, not yet. So not now. So now second thing, once concepts are clear, you should solve enough amount of questions. Enough amount of questions means maybe for some students only 2 questions are enough, and maybe for some students 20 questions are also not enough. If you are keep on solving new questions but you are not able to solve them, it means your topic is not clear. Then go for third approach. Third approach is PYQs, previous year questions. That's all. I am not saying you to join any coaching center. I am not saying you to purchase any kind of study material. I am not saying you to purchase any kind of test series. I am saying minimum requirement to crack GATE exam. Again, this may not be suitable for those students who are not good enough with their basic concepts, or who are not good enough, who are not comfortable with their college courses, the way their teachers are teaching. So maybe you are not able to understand. So see, coaching is having its own advantage. Biggest advantage is you don't have to bother what to study, what not to study. And next advantage is you don't have to bother from where you have to practice the question. And the very good advantage of having coaching is, when especially I'm talking about myself, whenever my students are uncomfortable, I have told them to ask doubts properly. You can ask feedback from any students. Whenever they will call, I clear their doubts at personal level. Whether it will take 5 minutes, or it will take 35 minutes, or it will take 1 hour. Right? does not matter. Your doubt session, and I have dedicated separate time for doubt session. After my class I give full time for doubt session, but again, even after that also, I have, like, whenever I am free, students are texting me, calling me, and they're asking doubts. So see, what is the drawback in self study? Drawback in self study, see, first thing, I am considering everything in mind. I am mainly, my consideration is, you have money issue. I mean, you are not able to pay the fees. In that case, I am making that video, right? Especially, I'm not making video for those students who can manage the fees, but still they are not willing to join coaching center. For both cases, like, almost same situation. You complete your concept done. You practice enough examples done, and then you go for PYQs done. It means this is the optimum condition. You might be knowing, if you have done your aircraft propulsion, what is the meaning of optimum condition. Okay, that's all. And again, this video is not about, like, if you have joined coaching center, you have done mistake, or if you are planning to join coaching center, you are doing a sin. No, it's not like that. Coaching centers are having their own advantages, but one thing you should remember: there are so many students, they don't qualify GATE exam even after joining coaching center, and there are so many students, they qualify GATE exam with double digit rank without joining any coaching center. So it depends on person to person. Thank you.